Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu without eggs. First, let's create our rich, egg-free mascarpone cream. Start by whipping 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese in a bowl until it's beautifully smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of cold, heavy cream with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, then whip until stiff peaks form. Finally, gently fold this whipped cream into your mascarpone, creating a light and airy base. Now, let's prepare our coffee and begin layering. Brew 2 cups of strong espresso or coffee and let it cool completely. This is crucial for preventing soggy ladyfingers. Take your ladyfingers and quickly dip each one into the cooled coffee, ensuring they are moistened but not saturated. Arrange a single, even layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish, covering the entire base. With our first layer of ladyfingers in place, it's time to add the creamy goodness. Carefully spread about 1/2 of your prepared egg-free mascarpone cream evenly over the ladyfingers. This creates a delightful contrast in texture and flavor. Next, repeat the process by adding another layer of coffee-soaked ladyfingers on top of the cream. Finally, spread the remaining mascarpone cream over this second layer, ensuring a smooth, consistent top. Almost there. For the best flavor and texture, cover your tiramisu and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic tiramisu finish. It adds a touch of bitterness that perfectly balances the sweetness. Enjoy your delicious, egg-free tiramisu, and hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.